Hello Sanjay.
Hello ma'am.
Ready for the mathematical activity?
Yes ma'am.
Hello everyone, he is Sanjay of 6th standard and now he is going to show us types of angles using matchsticks. Okay, and this is a part of mathematics chapter 5, measures of lines and angles. Okay, so before we move ahead Sanjay, will you please tell me what do you mean by an angle?
An angle is formed when two straight lines meet at a common end point.
Very good. Will you please show us how it is? How an angle is formed? As you said, an angle is formed when two straight lines, no curved lines, right? When two straight lines meet at a common end point. Very good. Okay. And the word angle comes from which language? Latin word angulus, which means corner. Very good. Okay. So, will you please tell me what are the different parts of an angle?
This is called vertex. These two are arms.
Very good. So, okay. So, we have vertex. Can you please point at vertex? Okay, because of air it's moving. Yeah. Vertex, and then we have arms. Okay, two arms of an angle. Okay, very good. Then now show us the types of angles. You have to tell the measurements also. Okay.
Acute angle.
What is that angle?
Acute angle?
Acute angle. What is the measurement?
Between 0 to 90 degrees.
Between 0 and 90 degree. Okay, good. Then next,
Obtuse angle.
obtuse angle. Next. Okay.
Between 90 degrees to 180 degrees.
Between 90 and 180 degree. Will you please do one thing? Okay, so you finished with acute angle between, what is acute angle? Between
0 to 90
0 to 90
degrees.
degree. Obtuse angle
Between 90 to
between 90 to 180 degree. And a right angle? Show right angle. Exact 90 degree. Yes, right angle is exact 90 degree. Okay, then next,
straight angle.
straight angle. Straight angle is how much?
180 degrees.
180 degree. Okay, then
Complete angle.
complete angle. Complete angle is, it takes full angle, right? 360 degree. Okay, then next, reflex angle, right? Now, what is reflex angle? Between 180 and 360 degree. Yes, very good. Keep it up. So now you understood what are the different types of, very good. Kids, others who are watching, you understood what are the different types of angles and what are the measurements? Okay, so we must know this. Please give a big round of applause for him. Very good. Keep it up. Can you list once again what are the different types of angles? Acute angle, obtuse angle, right angle, straight angle, complete angle,
reflex angle.
reflex angle. Very good. You know the measurements, right? Okay, keep it up.